welcome back to Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter-free so that you can live stress-free. This weekend I got bored and decided I wanted to revamp my kitchen a little bit, so I went to Daily DIYer. I love this girl. I think she is so creative and so resourceful, and almost all of her projects are super affordable. So I absolutely copied her ideas and created this coffee bar, which I'm in love with. Oh my gosh. If you like it, please click her link below. She goes step by step. I cannot wait to do the monthly or the seasonal changes like she does, but I loved it. I loved it. I love it. So after I finished with that, I was on the, I've got to make something else bug. And I had some jars because I had a client who wanted all of her spice jars to be universal. Well, it so happens that when I ordered them, I ordered a size smaller than what she wanted. And of course, as an organizer, I should have been right on top of returning them to Amazon when they were the wrong size, but I didn't. So I had these extra jars around. So I went onto Microsoft Word and I just created a little box and got playful with my wording, but I created little labels. And the label says, "Mommy hates to cook, but add," and then I named the spice, "to make food yummy." And then just because I thought it was funny, I gave each one a number. So I printed these out, and these are just on label stock. I buy large labels from Staples and Office Max. They come 2 to a sheet. And then I just took regular shipping tape and I put it over the square. I purposely did my square to fit within the width of the shipping tape. And then I cut them out and I was able to just stick it right on the jar. So I don't have a lot of seasonings because, like makeup, I don't like cooking. So I just made a couple of, but I thought they looked so cute. And these jars are not very expensive on Amazon. I think they were like $6 for a dozen. They are glass. They also come with plastic ones though. And they even have the little shaker on top. So this took me less than, I don't know, I think I spent maybe 30 minutes on the whole project, but look how cute it looks. So if you're interested in this, I'll have it linked below to my website. It's a free download. I don't even like doing the whole subscribe to get this. Just download it. I did do it in Microsoft Word, so if you need something else, I'll try and do it as a PDF, except a PDF would be generic, so I'd rather do it in Microsoft Word so that you can edit your own seasonings, and if you want to change the little saying, you could absolutely do that. Thank you for watching today's video. Please make sure to click the like and leave me a comment if you'd like to see other videos about some of the things that I'm DIYing in my kitchen and throughout my house. Also, please, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification. That tells YouTube not only which videos you'd like to see, but also tells me which ones you are liking. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.